just go from the bottoms.
Yeah. You get to open those, Mom.
Yeah. Can't believe I did
Hi, Rob.
That was easy.
Need a box.
How do you feel about Mariah turning 7?
I feel old.
Let me open it.
Yeah.
Old.
Rip it. Rip it.
Happy birthday, girl.
I know. Well,
That's going to be a trip.
Yeah.
You know what Rob got her last year? The Hulk. Those fists. Brody gets the brunt of those on a regular basis. That's why he's so calm
yeah,
now.
there you go.
Ooh, be careful.
She gave me a
Ooh,
necklace.
that's
It's
real.
a bracelet.
It's a bracelet.
me,
It's
Mariah.
real, honey. It's real
Cool.
gold.
Yeah, it's a golden bracelet.
Wow.
That's
And-
really special.
You know what's special about it, Mariah, is that you can put charms on it.
Cool.
Just like from Matt and Ruby.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I believe this is the next one, so how about if
Hold
I...
on just a second.
How about if Grandma unwraps all